Hi everyone, Denise here. Today I'm going to be taking you on a short guided walking meditation. Studies show spending 20 minutes in the outdoors can be as beneficial as a 40-minute meditation session for reducing stress. So we're going to combine the two with a 10-minute guided walk. Make sure you have comfortable, sturdy shoes. Be aware of the terrain you're going to be walking on and allow yourself to relax, let go of stress, and reconnect with nature. I hope you enjoy today's guided meditation.
As we begin, take in a deep breath, filling your lungs with the fresh air from around you. Release tension and stress with the exhale. And then just begin to follow the natural rhythm of your breath, starting at the beginning of the inhale, all the way to the bottom of the exhale. Don't try to change it. Just follow it as it is. Just witness it. Now I'd like to invite you to bring your awareness to your feet. Notice the movement of each foot with every step you take. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. Notice the sense of security and grounding each time your feet meet the earth beneath you. Just follow the rhythm of your steps as you continue to walk, not trying to change it, just notice it as it is. Notice the sounds of your steps as you continue with your walk, just observing them. Now I'd like to invite you to draw the awareness to the sounds around you. Birds singing overhead, wildlife in the surrounding area. Maybe there's a breeze blowing through the trees, people chattering, or traffic in the distance. Just notice the sounds without judgment. Just observe it as being external. Just listening to what's going on around you. Noticing sounds close by and sounds further away. Maybe even being drawn back to the sound of your own steps or your breath. Just observe the sounds. As we continue on our walk, I invite you now to draw your awareness to what you see. Take in the scenery all around you. Just observe everything there is that you can see around you on the ground or even in the sky. Noticing the colors, the shapes, even the textures. Just observe all that you can see around you. As you continue with your walk, be aware of any sensations on your exposed skin, noticing the temperature of the air, if there's a breeze, even the sunlight shining down on you. Just noting any sensations on your exposed skin. Now draw your awareness to any smells, the scents in the air, maybe from the trees around you, flowers in bloom, or the air after a rain. Noticing without judgment, just observing them, possibly recognizing them, and just being mindful of the smells around you. As we continue on our walk, allow your awareness to wander, whether it be to what you see, what you hear, feelings on your exposed skin, or even the smells around you. Just notice what your awareness is being drawn to. Allow yourself to soak it all in, the sights, the sounds, feelings, the smells, and notice where your awareness takes you. Now I'd like to invite you to take your awareness back to yourself, noticing feelings of relaxation, calmness. Maybe you feel energized with your walk. Just noticing how we feel being out in nature and allowing ourselves to just be mindful of what's around us. No judgment, just observing the world as it is. Now I'd like to invite you to take in a deep breath again, purposely filling up your lungs with the fresh air from around you. And with the exhale, allow yourself to release, to let go of any tension that might still be within you. Just let it go. And then draw the awareness back to your feet, becoming mindful of the steps you take and that sense of security from the earth below. Taking a moment to just allow ourselves to appreciate being in this moment, allowing ourselves to become more mindful and aware of the world around us. I'd like to thank you for joining me for today's guided walking meditation. I hope that you enjoyed it, and it'll encourage you to spend more time outside, reconnecting with nature and allowing yourself just to observe in awe with what's all around you. Namaste.